This one about the giant asteroid isn't too bad. First of all, notice we have a split between has and have, a singular verb and a plural verb. It's a long prompt before the underlined section. The subject is rock samples, and everything else that follows describes the rock samples. So rock samples is plural, so we need the plural verb in both cases. So singular verb doesn't work. Singular verb doesn't work. Here we have the plural verb. In D, we don't have a second verb, which is curious. Have been dated, blah, 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 and thus evidence. So that would imply that the verb would apply have been dated as being, blah, 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 and have been dated evidence. That just doesn't make sense. So that's not correct either. So then we have to look at the idiom concerning the word dated. Dated to be, dated as being, and dated at are the three options we're given in this prompt. Well, dated to be and dated as being are idiomatically incorrect. The correct idiom is dated at. And as a general rule, verb to be is seldom correct. Verb as being, I think, is never correct. Whereas a simple preposition following a verb, that's a very common construction in English. So dated at, that's correct, that's correct. To be as being to be, all those are incorrect. And immediately that narrows everything down to E, which has the correct verb tense, the correct idiom. It is sleek, efficient, and by far the best answer choice.